Hi everyone, this is Darcy and welcome to the best skin of your life in 30 days. On this series, I'm going to be following the Ziip app plan, the best skin of your life in 30 days, showing you real-time demos as well as my before and afters so you can follow along and see which kind of results you can get. And I'll also love if you can join me on this challenge. On this Ziip challenge, you should be able to see not just facelifting, but also great results for fine lines, dark spots, skin texture, and even acne because the Ziip combines microcurrent and nanocurrent to give you more than just a lifting. And if you want more information about the Ziip, make sure to check my playlist on the description box below with lots of tutorials and Ziip information. So today is day 8. Day 6 and 7 was a break. Today's treatment will be the lift and eyes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you my current before and after. So now let's get to it. Today's treatment is the lift and eyes. So now I'm going to tell you a little bit information about the treatments of today. The lift treatment is actually a preset treatment on your Ziip Halo, so you don't really need to use the app to access the lift. You can just turn on your Halo and that will be the treatment that is already pre-recorded. But you can also access the lift treatment through the app. This easy treatment will help you achieve a more lifted, sculpted, and glowing appearance in just 4 minutes. Muscle toning microcurrent and energizing nanocurrent work together to define and brighten your complexion. Ziip tips: immediate lift with lasting long-term benefits, a sculpted facial silhouette with an all-over glow, and the current is microcurrent and nanocurrent. The intensity is gentle vibrations and the level is easy. And the lift is one of my favorite treatments because it's already pre-recorded, so I often just turn the Ziip on and use the lift when I need a really good pick-me-up before I do makeup or if I have to go to an event. So the lift is my truly go-to treatment. Now let me give you some information about the eyes treatment. Target your Ziip treatment where it's often needed the most, your eyes. Elevate the eye region, offset dark circles, and depuff eye bags with gentle microcurrent. This is the perfect treatment after a night of poor sleep to revitalize your eyes. Ziip tips: brighten, fill, lift and awake your eye area. Fade dark circles, decrease puffiness, and lift your eyes. It uses a low microcurrent. You feel soft fluttering vibrations and is a moderate level. So now let me show you the demo. Make sure to do your treatment on a fully cleansed face, and today I'm going to be using the Ziip Crystal Gel. Apply the gel all over your face, on your eyelids, and even behind your ears, and you can apply it on your lips as well. To begin, just select Begin New Treatment, and the lift will start automatically. So make sure you turn on your Ziip by pressing the button. And now it's synced successfully, so we get started. The areas to avoid is the thyroid and also the under eye. So make sure you select the glove. And you're gonna feel a gentle vibration. Avoid the under eye, the immediate under eye. I'm stopping at the cheekbones. And you feel a fluttering and it's gonna vibrate, and you can start again. And it vibrates to let you know to move again. Vibrate and up and vibrate. You can also use it on the neck. She's not using it on the neck on that treatment, but you can use it on the neck as well. Again, just to avoid the thyroid area. And up. And when it vibrates, you move to another spot. There's also a free-form treatment. Vibrate, move again. You focus on your cheeks or on your jawline. It moved again. So here, she's going under cheeks. I'm doing on my jawline. Again, you can do it each way you want. You can follow her along. Whenever in doubt, just up and out. That's what Melanie usually says. And like here, when I'm doing, I just want to clarify, I'm not doing on my under eye. I'm ending at my cheekbone. The next treatment will be eyes. And the reason why you don't use the lift treatment on your eyes is because the current is a little too strong for the under eye area. I mean, it won't cause harm, but it's too strong, so you should avoid the under eye. That is the reason. And is a free-form treatment. You can work on your cheeks. And when it vibrates, you can move. And now go to the next area. And I am going to start on the neck. but you can just start on your jaw if you want to focus on that, and then on your cheeks. And this treatment combines microcurrent and nanocurrent. So what that does is that it works on your skin as well as on your muscles. So this treatment, you will see amazing results on the long-term use. You will see immediate results and long-term results. And see here, I'm hugging the cheeks, and even better long-term results with each use. And I do this on my mother-in-law as well. When she comes over, she loves me doing the Ziip on her, and she always calls me the next day that the next day her skin is even more plump. She likes the results better the next day. So Melanie's talking about here on the video that you will see the results even better the next day. So again, follow along with her or do your own thing. The movement is just up and out, nice, even pressure. I'm kind of doing on my jawline. It's a firm pressure, doesn't have to be too hard. And here, hugging your cheeks, not on the immediate under eye. And I always include my eyes when I go up. I'm not using on the lid, I'm just including right under the brow. And do your jaw. And this treatment will give you an instant lift. But as I mentioned, you will see even better results with regular use. And because of the nanocurrent, you will even see better results the next day. I just really love it. And that's it. So you have that instant lift as well as long-term results. So now let's go to the next treatment, which is eyes. When you complete the lift treatment, you're going to see that the plan has a little check mark saying the treatment has been completed. So we can start right away the eye treatment, which will focus on the eye area only. And you can just select begin next treatment, and it's going to prompt you for you to turn your Ziip. And once it's synced, you can just do the eyes and make sure you have the gel all over, which you already applied, and the eye treatment will focus on the eye area. So you can put the probes right under here and up. So right close to the tear duct and up. You don't have to put too much pressure. You just let the current do its work. And you can do two different moves. You can do one just to the side like that, which she says it gives a nice cat eye effect. But I like to lift my eyebrows through the middle and up because I like more of a open eye effect. So you can pull each way that you like. You can put either side for a cat eye look, or I like putting in the middle of the eyebrow up. And when it beeps, you move to the other side. So you go again, make sure you're very close to the eye and up. It doesn't have to be super pressure, it's just gentle pressure. And either pull to the side or I like doing in the middle of the brow. And I'm not including the eyelids, I'm just going right underneath my eyebrows. Hope you can see right underneath the eyebrow. Maybe this way you can see better. So on the very close to the tear duct and the eyebrow. And has gentle vibrations. You don't have to make it super hard. Let the current do its job. And it gives you an instant lift. That's it. So now you completed today's treatment. So you say, okay, and tomorrow there's no treatment. I'm going to take off my gel and come back to show you my results. And I wanted to show you today my 8-day results. And I put a braid on to match my first day photo. So within 1 week of treatment, I definitely feel my under eye look a lot more rested. And I also feel there's a lift in my eye, and I definitely feel the quality of my skin looks softer, lighter and brighter, almost like a glow from within, which is the halo glow, which comes from the nanocurrent working on your skin quality. And I've only been using the Ziip Halo during this challenge and during this month, so I'm excited to see what my 30 days results will be. And if you're joining me on this challenge, please make sure to comment below what are your results so far. And if you're interested on the Ziip, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And if you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on day 10. Bye.